Hello, last time we are talking about how to add the picture of the background of the comment box. So when you move your mouse to the iPhone product, it will show the picture of the iPhone. So today we will focus on how to change the shape of the comment box. To do that, you need to go to File and Options. Then from here, go to the Quick Access toolbar. At the drop box, you select All Comments. When all comments show up, you scroll down to see the Change Shape. So click that, click Add. It will add to the Quick Access toolbar. Click OK. Now you can see the Change Shape toolbar will show up there, but it is blank, it's not active. To activate, you need to go back to the iPhone and go to Review, Edit Comment. When the comment box show up, go to the border of the comment box, click that, then the change shape will active. Now you can change. You can select what kind of the shape do you want to use. So for example, we using this one. It will change the shapes, and you can see the yellow square over here. Right click and drag it to here, and now you change the comment box shapes. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video, and please visit my channel for more tutorial of Excel and IT support. Bye bye.